On today's tour, we have an updated 4-bedroom home in the Saraland community, and we can't wait for you to see the inside. Inside the home, you'll find luxury vinyl plank flooring, modern bathrooms, new light fixtures, white kitchen cabinets, and a wood-burning fireplace. And on the outside, you have the benefit of a brand new roof. Saraland is about 20 minutes north of downtown Mobile, and with a great school system, less traffic, and access to nearby water for boating and fishing, this area is one of the hottest areas in Mobile County. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to schedule your own personal tour of this beautiful Saraland home, you can give us a call, a text, or an email. My name is Matthew Baker with Legendary Realty, and I would be happy to schedule that for you today. To make sure you don't miss out on the next beautiful house we do in Baldwin or Mobile County, click on this subscribe button right here. And if you're ready to watch more house tours we've already shot, you can click on this playlist right here.